Welcome everyone. This is Parag from channel Qtomation. In last lecture we have started with various operators in Python. We have seen about the arithmetic operators. Today we will see assignment operators in Python. So assignment operators are mainly used to assign values to variables. In Python there are number of assignment operators. So there is equal to sign, right? So this is the one of the type of assignment operators. What assignment operator will do? It will assign the operand value which is on the right side to the left side operand. So here we are assigning value of phi to value x, right? So here we are assigning the value of phi to variable x. So this is the one of the type of assignment operator. Similarly, there are multiple assignment operator. For example, this is addition and assign sub operator. So it will add the value. For example, if you see here, so plus equal to sign. So this is also known as add and assign operator. So what it will do? So x plus equals to 3. So this is equal to x is equal to x plus 3. So what it will do? So it will perform the right hand side operand and left hand side operand addition operation, and it will assign that value to left side operand. So x plus equals to 3 is similar as x is equal to x plus 3. So it will perform x plus 3 and that value will be assigned to the value of x. Similarly, there is subtract and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign, modulus and assign, floor division and assign, similarly exponent and assign. So these are all the various assignment operators. Now we will see practically how to use different assignment operators. So let's go to the PyCharm, and in PyCharm I am going to create new file. Let's name it as assignment demo. So it will be for assignment operators demo.py. So we have created a new .py file, and now let's see one by one different assignment operators. So first, the simple one, that is a equals to 5. So what this statement will do? So here we are assigning the value of phi to variable a. So if I want to print value of a, I will simply use print value of a is comma and then use a. Now when I run this file, you can simply see a is 5, right? So this is the simple assignment operator in which we have assigned the value of phi to variable a. Similarly, let's say I'm having one more variable b equal to 10, right? So we are assigning the value of 10 to variable b. After that, what I am going to do, I am going to use add and assign operator. So b plus equals to 10. So what this statement will do, it will add right hand side operand with left side operand, and it will perform addition operation, and that result value will be assigned to the left hand side operand, right? So here b is 10. Again I will add 10 to it, so 10 plus 10 20. So b is going to be a 20. So when I run this statement, before that I have to print that value as well. So I am simply copy pasting this print statement, and here we want to print the value of b. Let's run the file. Here value of b is 2020. So similarly, if I want to change, let's say now I'm going to change, let's say value of b as 6, and here what we are doing, we are assigning the value of 10 plus b. We are combining, or we are adding the value of right hand side operand and left side operand, and we are assigning the value after addition to the left hand side operand. So now the value of b will become, so this is similar to, if we simply see, this is similar to b is equal to b plus 10, right? So this is similar to b is equal to b plus 10. So it will perform b. Now b value of b is 6. So 6 plus 10, that is 16. So when I run this file, the b will be having value as 16. So this is also known as addition and assign operator, add and assignment operator. Similarly, let's say I'm having one more variable. I'm going to give value as 5. Now here c variable is holding the value of 5, and I'm going to use subtract and assignment operator. Subtract and assign. So let's say c subtract, and after that equal to sign, let's say 20. So this is similar to, so this operation is nothing but c equals to c minus 20, right? So here value of c, this statement c subtract equal to 20 is similar to c equals to c minus 20, right? So value of c is 5. So when we subtract 20, that is right hand side operand, from the left hand side operand, so c minus 20, so c is 5, and we are subtracting the value of 20 from c, so it will return value as minus 15, right? So it will perform the subtraction operation. So when I run this file, we haven't printed this statement, so we have to print the value as well, right? I'm going to print the value of c. So let's run the file again. So when we run the file, you can simply see the value of c is minus 15, right? Similarly, now I'm going to change the value. Let's say c is equal to 50. So here 50 is assigned to the variable c, and after that I am assigning c subtract and assign to 0, right? So this is similar to c equals to c minus 20. So I will be subtracting the right hand side value or right hand side operand from the left hand side operand, right? So when we subtract, here c is 50, so when we subtract 50 minus 20, and that value will be assigned to the c. So when we print that value of c, it will be, let's run the file, it will be 30, because 50 minus 20 is 30. So this is the subtraction and assignment operation. So this is subtract and assign operator. Similarly, we can use, let's say d equals to 10, and now I'm going to use divide and assign operation. So it is used to divide. So this is the division operator, and after that I'm assigning that value, let's say 5. So this is similar to d equals to d divided by 5. So it will perform the division operation and it will assign the result to d. So let's run the file. Before that, we have to print that statement, right? So we want to print the value of d. So here value of d will be 10 divided by 5. So d value is 10. So in the statement, we are dividing 10 by 5. Let's run the file. It will return 2.0, right? Similarly, I'm going to change the value from a bit. So instead of 10, I'm going to use 12. So when we divide 12, that is the left hand side operand, by 5, it will return 2.4, right? So this will return 2.4. Now 2.4 value, that will be assigned to the d, and here we are printing the value of d. In Python, we also know that there is a floor division operation as well. So instead of, let's say, single forward slash, if I use 2 forward slashes, then it is known as a floor division. So what it will do, it will return the value as floor value, that is 2 value, right? So previously, if we use the single forward slash, then it will return the complete value of the division, that is 2.4. But if we use 2 times forward slashes, then this is known as a floor division, and when we run this will return only the floor value, that is 2. So this is about the floor division and assign operator. Similarly, we have modulus operator as well. So we can perform the modulus and assignment operator as well. So we will use the same example. So I'm just going to use modulus, let's say modulus and assign. So what this will do, it will perform the modulus operation between left and right hand side operands. This is similar to, right? So it will perform, now value of d is 12, it will perform modulus operation between 12 and 5, and it will return the value of remainder, right? So that remainder value will be assigned to the value of d. So when we run this file, it will return value as 2, right? So this is the value of 2, so that 2 value will be assigned to the variable d here. So this is known as modulus and assignment operator, right? So if you use like such way, this is the modulus and assignment. There is one more operation that we can do, that is simply, let's say I'm having one more variable, e is equal to 2. Now what I'm going to do, let's say e multiply and assign operation, right? So e multiply equal to, let's say 5, right? So what this operation will do, it is similar to e equals to e multiplied by 5. So it will perform the multiplication operation between right hand side and left side operand and assign the result value to left side operand. So value of e will become e multiplied by 5, right? So value of e initially it is 2. So 2 multiplied by 5, that will return 10. So let's print and check the value of e. Now let's run the file. So when I run this file, the value of e is 10, right? Because e is 2 here, and when we use the multiply and assignment operation e, then it will perform e multiplied by 5. Now e is 2, 2 multiplied by 5, and that value will be assigned to the left hand side operand, that is e. So this will return the value as 10. So this was about the multiplication and assignment. Similarly, we also have one more operation, or one more, that is also known as exponent and assign. So instead of single star, if I use 2 times the star, right? So here, let's say e is equal to 2. So we have assigned value of 2 to e. After that, we are using e exponent and assigned to the 5. So this is similar to, we are multiplying the value of 2, that is 2, by 5 times, right? So we are simply, this is similar to, so we are multiplied to 5 times, right? So it is similar to 2 multiplied by 2, right? So this will return the 2, 5 times multiplication of 2. So this is nothing but exponent operation. So 2 raised to 5, right? So that will return the value of e as 32, right? So when we perform the operation 2 raised to 2 exponent of 5, or we can simply say 2 raised to 5, that is equivalent to multiplying 2 5 times, right? So that will perform this exponent and assign operation. So this is some of the basics, or some of the assignment operator in Python. So let's revise one more time. So we have seen simple assignment operators. What it will do, it will assign the value of right hand side operand to left hand side operand. X is equal to 5. So it will assign the value as x is equal to 5. Similarly, we have seen addition and assignment operation. So this is similar to, if we use x plus equals to 3, that is similar to x is equal to x plus 3. It will perform the addition operation between right hand side operand and left hand side operand, and it will assign that value to the left hand side operand. Similarly, we have seen subtraction and assignment, multiplication and assignment, division and assignment, modulus and assignment, floor division and assignment, and exponent and assignment operation. So these are the most frequently used assignment operators in Python. So in next lesson, we will see about some more type of operators in Python. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.